Hey guys, so today I'm going to be having a squishy giveaway, and this giveaway is for the new year, and it's also to thank you guys for being so supportive and nice. So I hope you guys can enter, and first I just want to get started with the shoutouts. This week's shoutout goes to B. Bryani. Yeah, let's just get started with the giveaway prizes. The first prize is this Bellamy Firenze old-fashioned donut with chocolate dipping sauce. And here is the tag. The next prize is this blue raspberry cream puff. Next is this bear mirror. The next prize is this Hello Kitty ice cream. This Uncle Nick's sushi squishy. This Daiso bun. Strawberry Hello Kitty donut. And this mini blush bun. So these are all the giveaway prizes, and if you want to enter to get a chance to win these squishies, all the rules are down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys can enter. Bye.